To be known is to be loved, to be unknown is to be forgotten. Like contrast with the dark from which figures emerge. An all-powerful, loving, transcendent God. A concentration of pain and suffering that can never be quantified. Larger than life itself. A physicalization of it must exist in some part of a space-time continuum. Fear of all that is incomprehensible. Answers are subjected. Discovery is not truth. Excitement breeds danger. To stay put is to be safe, and to inquire is to be dangerous.
Is it really a choice, or are we forced to obey? We choose to respect. What is ignorance? How do we know the truth? Hiding the truth or shifting the blame? Perhaps ignorance is a disease, or perhaps a choice. We don't need guidance. If nobility is put into the wrong hands of a clumsy man, that is true ignorance. This is called the Matrix.